guys, straighten the wheel, straighten the wheel. Just piggyback.
Okay.
The drifts are so bad, I've got to run out and scout ahead. I put the shovel in the snowdrift so I can know where to aim. Oh, that was some sketchy stuff. There was just the smallest window through that snowdrift. I had to go and run about 50 feet in front of the car and put my red shovel in the snow, and I'd use that as a target to aim for the path. And I'd get there and I'd run back and go another 50 feet. And if you got off 6 inches to either side, you were done. But by doing that, me and everybody that was behind me was able to get through the snowdrifts. All right, guys, we made it to the tunnel. This is a 2.5 mile tunnel that's